Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can calculate the value of your modulus operation using 991ES series calculator. So I have to find the value of 625 mod of 91. So I am pressing here 625 divided by 91 is equal to, I will get the value in the calculator, that is 625 divided by 91. But I want the result in the form of quotient and remainder. So you can check this button, that is ST. So I'm pressing shift and this ST button, then I will get the answer in the form of quotient and remainder. So 6 is my quotient, 79 is my remainder, and 91 is my divisor. So in this way you can calculate the modulus operation using this shift and ST button.